Optentia is characterized by a flow of positive energy, and that is fueled by highly motivated and dedicated researchers.
We are busy with research that is at the forefront of international research agendas. It's the type of research that funders internationally are clamoring for.
The increase that we experience in the sub-programs at Optentia and new researchers joining the sub-programs will definitely enable Optentia to carry out this positive belief and message to far wider contexts.
Optentia Research Focus Area is a multidisciplinary research entity that's based at the Northwest University's Vaal Triangle campus. We draw researchers from a wide range of social sciences disciplines, and our mission is to develop and organize knowledge for the optimal expression of individual, social, and institutional potential. Our strong emphasis on building competence has led to collaborative research efforts with universities in Europe, North and South America, and Africa. And thanks to a clearly defined focus, we boast an increasing number of peer-reviewed publications, substantial research funding, and an increasing international reputation.
Our research shows that between 20 and 40% of people are actually flourishing in the work context.
This deep understanding is what makes our research strategic. It's providing researchers, particularly those in the global north, with a palpable understanding of the more unique aspects of the positive adjustment of South African people.
Optentia's research efforts revolve around 7 sub-programs. Each of these sub-programs tackles a different aspect in the search for factors that will unlock optimal potential in human beings and institutions. The sub-program Flourishing in Institutions investigates subjective, psychological and social well-being, strengths and virtues, a positive lens on problems and challenges, as well as positive leadership and institutions, amongst others.
Organizations and institutions in general have to make use of the creativity of people, they have to innovate, and they have to rely on the strengths and optimal use of potential of individuals.
Pathways to Resilience and Post-Traumatic Growth studies how and why some South Africans adjust to adversity and flourish following experiences of trauma. We are particularly interested in how culture, gender, and evidence-based interventions shape resilience and post-traumatic growth processes.
There are people who adjust really well to living hard lives. There are people who discover new strengths and possibilities in the aftermath of coping with trauma. It's these people that the researchers who work in Optentia's program called Pathways to Resilience and Post-Traumatic Growth are interested in.
Our third sub-program aims to study the measurement and promotion of psychosocial well-being on 3 related levels, namely across a life course, across life domains, and across cultures.
Optentia will grow into a hub of hope for enthusiastic researchers who are passionate about the research on psychosocial well-being. And second, of course, it will also be a source of hope for the lives of the different individuals whose lives will be touched by the research done in this group.
The Aging and Generational Dynamics sub-program aims to explore aging and the relationships between generations on both the familial and societal levels. Our researchers have their focus on Africa and the realities of aging in this context.
This sub-program is the newest in Optentia, Aging and Generational Dynamics. And the focus is on the aging process and its implications for populations, societies and individuals.
The Unlocking Potential in Educational Processes sub-program studies the development of educational processes that will equip learners with the skills, knowledge and attitudes to foster and sustain engaged learning and teaching environments and communities. Built on the foundation of caring, our sixth sub-program, Holistic Learner Development in Diverse Contexts, focuses on the enhancement of teachers' ability to respond to a diversity of learning needs. The aim is to create a caring context where learners receive the necessary support to master learning outcomes.
We would like to establish enabling components at schools so that learners do not have to be referred to special education, but that teachers be equipped with a repertoire of strategies that would assist them to help learners who are experiencing diverse barriers to learning.
Our Talent Management sub-program aims to explore the current talent management practices in organizations with the aim of developing interventions to effectively attract, develop and retain talented employees in these organizations. At Optentia, we believe in giving back. Having researched the factors that contribute to optimal human potential, we place a very strong emphasis on the implementation of this expertise through a number of community engagement programs.
We believe that it is a researcher's mandate to transform research findings into community-friendly or community-usable programs. And so we use our findings to design interventions and prevention programs that can make a difference to South Africans who are dealing with hardship and with trauma.
Well, the positive belief that Optentia holds of optimal expression of human potential, I think it will continue to inform future pathways, future applications based on research that highlight the positive instead of the negative.
Optentia has an exciting future, especially if we consider on scholarly level to make a rigorous impact across the disciplines, multidisciplinary approach.
Well, I have no doubt that Optentia will flourish and that its impact will be felt, its positive impact will be felt in South Africa, in Southern Africa and in the world at large.
Connect with us and join our quest to help the world around us attain its optimal human potential.